Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cloud analytics with Tableau, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage cloud analytics with Tableau, start by ensuring you have Tableau installed and a cloud data source ready. Open Tableau and select Connect to Data on the start screen. Choose the appropriate cloud service from the list, such as Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, or Snowflake. Sign in with your cloud service credentials when prompted. Once connected, select the specific database or data set you want to analyze. Click Connect to establish the data connection. After the connection is successful, Tableau will display the data. Drag and drop the desired fields from your data source to the canvas area. Use the rows and columns shelves to create your initial structure. Select the Show Me panel to explore visualization options. Choose a visualization type that best represents your data, such as a bar chart or scatter plot. Customize your chart by dragging additional fields to the color, size, or detail areas. Click on the Filters shelf to add any filters needed for your analysis. Use the Analytics pane to add reference lines or other statistical analysis as required. Save your workbook periodically to avoid data loss. Once you're satisfied with your visualization, navigate to File and select Publish to Tableau Server or Tableau Online. Follow the prompts to publish your dashboard, ensuring it's accessible to relevant stakeholders. Review your published dashboard to confirm it displays correctly in the cloud environment. Periodically update your data connections to ensure real-time analytics. Monitor usage and performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of your cloud analytics. Continue iterating on your visualizations as new data becomes available. This workflow will help you efficiently manage cloud analytics using Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.